What happened, Gregory? Was it Gregory? What happened? Ah, was it Gregory? I think so. Who did it? Did you make a big mess, Gregory? Huh? Yes. It wasn't Gizzy. Was it Gizzy? Who did it, Gregory? Yes. You made a big mess, look. Who did it? Gregory did it. Are you a horror? Are you a horror? Should we get you? Should we get you? Ah! Get him! Was it Gizzy? You're a horror. Come on then. Come on then, let's go. Wookies. Good boy.